In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix automations to webhooks. It's very easy and simple to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into the video. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and load up Wix and make sure we're on the right site that we want to go ahead and set this up for. Now that we've done that, we want to go ahead and go down to where it says automations. And then from here, we're going to go up to the top right and we're going to click new automation. Now you can select a pre-made one, but I prefer to do start from scratch because it gives us more flexibility. So I'm going to click start from scratch. And now we're going to start off by finding our trigger. So there's tons of different triggers you can pick. It really depends on your needs. You can select something from your store. You can select a booking. It's really up to you. I'm going to go ahead and click the booking section for the sake of this video. So for the trigger, I'm going to click session booked. And essentially that means if someone books a session, it's going to pop up on the webhook. You can do all of these different ones if you want to. It's really up to you. So you can now select which session triggers this automation. So if you have a specific type of session, you can do that. And you can change the frequency. You can add delays. You can also add conditions. It's really up to you what you do. Now we've got a few options for the next bit, for the action. You can do send via webhook. That's going to be the most basic option. So I'm going to click send via webhook. And it's going to go ahead and by default have a post request with a application JSON as the payload type. So what you're going to need to do here now is put in your webhook URL, and you can get this from tons of different places. If we want to get it for Slack, I'm going to show you how to do that, but it's really easy to get it from anywhere. Now I'm inside Slack, and essentially to get a webhook from Slack, you need to create a custom app, and you'll be able to get the webhook URL from there. If you want to see how to do that in depth, I have a full video about it on the channel. So now that we've gone ahead and actually grabbed our webhook, I'm going to pretend this is my webhook URL. I'm just going to copy it. We're going to go back over to the Wix automations section. And in here, we're going to put the target URL in here. Now, this is obviously not correct because it's not a URL. So you can start off by default having the default value they have here. But for some different things like Slack, potentially they might have a custom structure that you want to apply, and they'll tell you all of that in the documentation for the app you're trying to use. But try with the default one first, that might work. If not, then you can do the custom structure. After that, you want to go ahead and click activate, and it should activate it. I've got a wrong URL in here, so it's not going to. If you put the right URL, it should go ahead and activate it, and it will ask you to put a name in there, and it should be ready to go. That's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.